Hi, my name is Ryan with All Computer Resources. Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk. Today we will discuss Mazda 3 and Mazda 5 transmission issues. I will walk you through removing, shipping, and relocating your TCM. If you've been dealing with transmission problems, you're in the right place. Stick around and I'll guide you through the process of getting your Mazda 3 or 5 back on the road and shifting smoothly. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss tech tips and automotive solutions. Now let's get started. A common problem we've identified with the 2006 through 2011 Mazda 3 and 5 vehicles is the transmission not shifting and getting stuck in failsafe. After some research, turns out transmission computer has a high failure rate resulting from overheating. This causes the circuit board components to fail, which will require repair. But don't worry, I've got a solution for you. Here at All Computer Resources, we can repair your failed TCU for a fraction of what it would cost for a new module, and it's back with our lifetime warranty. Some other symptoms are hard shifting through gears, hard shifting into drive and reverse, as well as the check engine and transmission lights illuminated. Once you remove the unit, you'll be ready to send it to us for repair, and we offer various expedited shipping options that all include two-way shipping. When you place your order from us, we'll email you a UPS label, making it easy for you to pack and send the module to us. Example, if you choose UPS overnight shipping, we'll email you a UPS overnight label, and we'll ship the part back to you using UPS overnight. Placing an order is simple. You can call our live US-based call center Monday through Friday, 9 to 6 Eastern Time at 786-879-7566, or visit us at allcomputerresources.com. I'll include a direct link in the description below. Stay tuned until the end of this video, where I'll show you an alternative mounting location for the module that will prevent its overheating. Before we proceed, it's also essential to check all your vehicle grounds, rule out solenoid issues, and ensure there are no shorted wires or electrical problems. These factors can also contribute to damaging the transmission computer. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to have a certified ASC technician inspect your vehicle. We also see that it's quite common for the speed sensors to fail at the same time, so it's a good idea to check and replace those as well. Removing the TCU is very simple, and you will only need a 10mm socket or wrench. Now, let's head out to the vehicle, locate the transmission control unit for removal. This is our internal Mazda 3. It's designated for testing specific modules. We've made modifications to this vehicle to optimize our process, but I'll still provide a step-by-step guide on locating and removing your TCM. The TCM is positioned on top of the transmission, which is beneath the battery tray. Let's follow these steps. Disconnect the battery and set aside the terminals for workspace. Remove the battery tie down with a 10mm socket. Take out the battery. Unscrew the 3 bolts securing the battery tray with a 10mm socket. Remove the battery tray. Locate the TCM. Unplug the connector by firmly pressing on the release and sliding the latch guide back. There are 3 bolts holding the TCM in place. Remove them with a 10mm socket. Now that you remove the TCU, simply print out the UPS label we emailed you and package the module carefully. You could drop it off at any UPS drop box or UPS center. Once we receive and repair the TCU, it will be fully bench tested and calibrated to your vehicle, as well as dyno tested on our vehicle. We utilize a similar potting agent to the OEM version, which does offer some flex to the circuit board and is needed in high vibration locations. It also offers us the ability to rework the board if needed. We have seen many versions of epoxy and silicone applied to this type of module, which is not ideal and makes the unit very rigid and hot and nearly impossible to repair in the future. You'll also notice a zip tie with a flange nut attached. This nut is to be used while installing the module in the alternate location that we recommend. Installing the module is just as easy as removing it. However, we suggest following these simple tips to prevent the module from overheating. Let's take a look. Let me guide you on relocating the TCM to prevent future failure. The Mazda 3 and 5 have a bolt on the firewall suitable for this relocation. Your TCM repair kit includes a lock nut for remounting the TCM. Thanks for tuning in today, and we look forward to earning your business. Don't forget to like this video, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, drop them in the comments. Until next time, happy driving.